Hey guys, today in this video I will show you how we can make only one person comment in our TikTok videos. So for this, at first I will open TikTok and then go to this profile section, then this three bar, then settings and privacy, and then this privacy, then this comment, and now this filter all comments. Turn on this option, and now your all comments will be filtered and it won't show until you approve. So for example, I will upload one video. So I have commented on this video. I will show you. And as you can see, there are no comments. If you see, and here two comments are on review. So if you allow them, then only it shows, and if you want, then it won't. For example, I will approve this one, then only one comment will appear here. I will show you. As you can see here, only one comment is displaying. So that's how you can make only one person comment in your video.